So hello everyone. So I'm here on my mobile automotive repair. So I had a Toyota Rav for right now. That's my truck, and this is what I'm going to repair. I think it's squeaking, or I think that is a stock caliper. So I don't know, we have to check it out. So I just wanna show you guys where I work, and this is my job. So I was working here at this company called Mobile Mic, and it was located here in Vancouver, Canada. So if you are located here in Vancouver, you might check out that company, Mobile Mic. It's a mobile automotive repair. So I'm not gonna film every single details of this, because I got only like limited hours in doing this. So that's basically the problem of the car. You hear that? Squeaking brake. So I'm gonna start now. And by the way, we are lucky we had a power source right there, so we can use our this one, power tools. I think we got an stuck up caliper. Let's try to remove this. Pad is still had a meat on it. Same thing with the other one. Wow. I'm using a different pad. Yeah. Let's try to press it. It's soft. It went in. And it's soft. Oh, it's. Whoa. That's weird. That's weird. Oh man, I don't know. I just adjust. Adjust this emergency brake. I think it's all the way at the maximum. So just see this star in here. I just adjust it to the minimum. And now there's no more screeching sound. See this? It's kind of, see that? Maybe this, I don't know. It's self-adjust probably. Anyway, there's nothing wrong. There's nothing wrong with it. Oh well, then that's a good news. I'll put him back and then let's see it again. But first, I'm gonna clean it up. So let's just clean it up. So when you put back all the parts, you have to know all the torque specification, and in here I got all the torque specification for this car. So let's do this. There you go. So guys, check this out. There's no more squeaking sound. I guess it's only the emergency brake adjusted by itself, so it pushes that, you know, brake shoe, so it touches the rotor. That's create the screeching sounds. Now it's fixed. So let's drive the car and let's see if there's still a squeaking sound. So I guess that's it, and I think the other side needs cleaning too, but overall it was successful. There's no more that loud squeaking sounds. So I'm just gonna clean this one too, but I'm not gonna show you that anymore. So I hope you enjoy watching my videos where I work, and check out our company. It's a mobile mic. So if you have any question, suggestion, please comment below, and please consider subscribe and like my channel too. That's all for today, and see you next time. Bye bye.